6-0 and Dwight, have that unit that's down there blocking that off, have them take that intersection off, and then we're gonna
Good to see you. I saw you earlier when you were leaving. I need you to guard that with your life, right?
I got it, man.
Stand over it.
I'll make sure it doesn't go anywhere.
All right, can I get your first and last name, please?
Veronica Martinez.
And Veronica, what did you hear tonight, sir?
I just, inside the house, and I was cooking, and I just hear like one shot, like really hard, like over here, and I just see the car like run like fast, and like a minute, like boom, and that's it.
So you basically heard a gunshot, and then a car
Yes,
took off,
yes.
and then you heard a loud crash.
Yes.
Man, and does this happen here a lot, or is it
No. This is like so quiet. So yeah, no, it's not common.
I mean, it's not something that you expected to
No,
see
no,
tonight, huh?
no.
Oh, man.
Actually,
All
no.
right, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah,